Want to reiterate, I had a current customer call me and they're like, hey, what is Stripe? And I immediately called him and told him, hey, Stripe is a payment processor. And that he's using a marketing company that they're going to be doing a special deal and collecting through their marketing new prospects like a $60 fee initial consultation. And so I was so glad that he reached out because he already has a current merchant account that we're going to connect up with the marketing agency. And so he doesn't have to open up a Stripe account. So I'm so glad that he called and he was able to, I was able to kind of bird dog that for him and figure it out for him. And yeah, integration, didn't have to open up another merchant account because he already has his merchant account, and we just connected it up to the marketing agency's software, and voila. So note to self, if you have a business and you need that special consultation for payment processing or those different, you run into those different items, we can help. We can definitely give you the ideas and give you the thought processes behind how things are done on the back end, and you'll be set. You get that boutique customer service from our payment processing. So there you go.